So,
I tried cheerleading, and I was wondering if I could come back today.
it's just not that easy, Brooke. You stab everybody in the back, you slap me in the face. She should have opened her mouth and said, let somebody else be at the top of the pyramid. She's screwing me, I can feel it.
I just wanted to try it out, to make sure dance is what I wanted to do.
What my problem with that was that you didn't speak up and say something ahead of time. And I mean, you just didn't show up. You let a lot of people down. You let me down. I'm very torn about this decision. She let the team down, she has lost trust, and Brooke broke my heart. My biggest disappointment, I think, too, would be that you just didn't want to dance. You have a God-given talent. Don't throw it away, honey. Brooke was born to dance, and I have invested my time and my energy into this kid. For it to go unnoticed and just disappear, I think you have a lot to offer to the team. You're going to have to really prove yourself.
Abby finally said she would be glad to have me back in the Ivy League Dance Company, and I was very happy. We're going to let her down again.
And on top of the pyramid is Brooke.
Abby unveils the top of the pyramid, and I thought, you get him, sister, because you left and you went and you tried out for cheerleading and you still made it to the top of the pyramid.